Located just 45 miles south of Juneau is Holcomb Bay, the starting point for two world-class paddling destinations. It has all the tidewater and elevated glaciers, breathtaking mountains, and sheer rock walls that reach up over a mile high, with waterfalls that tumble down to the emerald green water, and one of Alaska's largest icebergs, the twin Sawyer glaciers, the North Sawyer, the South Sawyer, and the Dawes Glacier. You can see Dawes Glacier in the distance. We couldn't get any closer because of the ice that was in the water, and unfortunately we didn't come up close and personal. Tracy Arm is a fjord in Alaska. It's about 45 miles south of Juneau and 70 miles north of Petersburg, Alaska. It's within the Tongass National Forest. This was the sunniest day we had on the whole trip, and it was absolutely magnificent viewing as we sat in the bay and just took in the sights of the mountains and the glacier and the wilderness and the peacefulness of it all. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you for watching.